What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Crypto Blogger X. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore your Ledger Live account and bring back all your balances. Alright, let's get started. So first thing we're going to need to do is click on Get Started. Go ahead and click on I have read the accounts, terms, and services, even though y'all haven't. We're going to enter Ledger app. You're going to select the device you own. Me, I own the Nano X. Then we're going to select the already have a recovery phrase option. Then we're going to click on continue. And for this stage, you're going to need to plug in your Nano device. It's going to load up a bit. It's going to ask you to go on your ledger. You're going to confirm by pressing the two buttons like you see on the screen. It's going to load up some more. Boom. All done. And also, this lets you know that the device you got is authentic and came from Ledger. Next, we're going to click on continue. Now, when I go up in here, notice none of my accounts is here. Even though when I go down to the manager section, all of my apps are installed on the Ledger. So to get them up inside of the portfolio, here's what we're going to do. We're going to click on add account in the middle of the screen. We're going to search for the asset that we have. In this case, I'm going to click on XRP. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to go on my device. I'm going to verify. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first option. I'm going to rename it to what I want it. Now, do not select the second option. If you click the second option, what's going to happen is it's going to make a whole new wallet. So you want to click the first one. And as you can see to the right of it, you're going to see your balance in there. You're going to click on add account. Then you click done. Then boom, all your balances is here for that crypto. Now, in the beginning of the video, I showed y'all I have more than one cryptocurrency on my ledger. Here you only see XRP, even though I have some Ethereum. Now to get the Ethereum on here, or whatever cryptocurrency you have, you're going to click on accounts over to the left hand side. You're going to click on add account. Then you're going to search for the crypto that you want and basically repeat everything you just seen within the last 2 minutes of this video. I'm not going to go through that. You already seen how to do it. So I'll leave you all right here. Until the next video, I'm Crypto Blogger X, and I'm out.